Welcome. And in today's project or video, I want to teach you guys how to produce an antiseptic soap or a medicated soap. So this soap is actually for antiseptic or medicated purposes, just in case you want to learn how to produce something that is medicated or antiseptic. Then watch this video and learn how to do it yourself. So these are going to be my active ingredient. That's my vitamin E oil. This is my phenol. You can get this at the chemical shops. These are my active ingredients. My carbolic acid is one of my active ingredients for my medicated production. And glycerin. Don't forget, we are making an antiseptic soap or a medicated soap. So those are my active ingredients that I showed you: carbolic acid, phenol, glycerin, and vitamin E oil. So watch this video and try to follow everything that I will teach here. It's not hard to produce. So medicated soap are actually used for bathing. Unlike other toilet soap or other soap being produced, medicated soap is produced in a very unique way. It has extra additives which helps in the killing of bacteria, germs, and any other skin infections. So medicated soap deals with a lot of microorganisms. Just in case you have any issues like this soap is a good soap to produce at home and use for microorganisms, bacteria, or any skin issue. Is good. It's going to help remove those things that worry your skin. Watch this video, follow the steps, follow my measurements, and don't forget I have ebooks for sale. If you need them, you can do it by reaching me on the phone number displayed on the screen to purchase your ebook. This ebook is actually just in case you won't have time to enroll for my online class. You can purchase the ebook. But if you have time to enroll for my class, then reach me on WhatsApp also. I have been displaying information on how to enroll for my online class. You can reach me on WhatsApp to join the class, or you check the description of this video for the link where you can click on to join the class. You either check the description of this video for the link where you can join the class, or you reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video to be added to my online class on soap making and other skincare formulations. Then also I run trainings on how to package, just in case you are a formulator out there, you are into production and you don't know how to package your product. You can reach me on WhatsApp to enroll for my training on how to package, how to do packaging at home. You don't need expensive equipment. The equipment are very affordable. Most of them are not even up to 10k. So reach me on WhatsApp to enroll for my trainings on how to package, on how to formulate, and also to purchase my ebook. So after 24 hours, this is how the soap looks like. After 24 hours, it is hard enough to be taken out of the soap mold. So I will take them out one by one and you'll see how it is. This soap is actually a medicated soap. It's good for skin infections and it deals with microorganisms. So it deals with bacteria, any kind of many type of issues of the skin. This soap is good for it because it has microbial agents in it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this video to those that you think will need to learn how to produce this by themselves at home, that want to learn how to produce a medicated or an antiseptic soap. And don't forget to join my online class. Don't forget to purchase ebooks. Don't forget to enroll for the packaging training. Goodbye. I'll see you next time on my next video.